Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video we show how to set masking layer on PCB and how to edit masking layer. So first we open Cadence software, Cadence, and for this tutorial we import Gerber. So for import file, import and import wizard, it's already path is set, so I am press next, next and finish. I am also import one NC layer, so import and NC data. Okay, so now I have 4 layer, 1 2 3 and 4, and fourth is already defined and it's NC layer. So first I am define first 3 layer. For this I am press Y for layer setup, and this is copper layer and it's C1, so it's top layer. This is silk layer and is L02, mean silk bottom, so we said silk bottom. And third is mask layer and M01, so it's a top mask layer. So mask, we said mask top. So here we define all layer. Now in this video we work on masking layer, and it's our masking layer. First I am set a color for our visibility. Masking layer is in most of green color, so I am set green color for this layer. So in masking layer, in general case, in masking layer all layer are in flash. So it is a flash, it is a shape, it is a most of shape like round, square, hexagonal, like this, and there is no draw. If any case, if fillable PCB, then we use a draw. If and routing a mill or milling path, then we use a draw. So we said draw color is some this color, but here is no any draw, just draw is border for our reference. Here all layer are in flash, and we see one peak of PCB, and this is PCB. This all green color called masking, and this is our flash. Here we add in HL we use tin for soldering any component in assembling. So in most of case we set a masking layer as per our track layer. So this is my track layer, it is top copper layer, and this is a top masking layer. So I am set my masking layer as per my copper layer. So first I am see difference in top layer and masking layer. So it is not visible, so first I am use this command for toggle sketch mode, and it is for transparent. So I am click on it. So now I am show difference in this. So our masking layer flash is large as compared to the track layer. So in most of production house we decide the masking layer flash is big than our copper layer, and it is size in most of production its size is 0.155 mm or 0.200 mm. So here we make it 0.15 mm. So for this, first we make a change in masking layer. First we make it make masking place as the copper layer. So I am set a size of masking layer like a copper layer. So first I am measure the size of measure the difference between masking layer and copper layer. So this is option for measure between points. So I am click on it, and now I am click here and here. So here is option measure. Here we show the dx and dy, the distance in x-axis and y-axis, and all over distance here. So we see here the difference between the masking layer and copper layer. So I measure it. So difference is y-axis is 0.104 mm. So now we know the difference between copper layer and masking layer, and it is 0.104 mm. So now we go on home page, and we measure here one time, and we measure here second time. For our reference, make it first, zoom it. We measure this rectangle. Now go and measure, and measurement is visible here. So here also approximately 1.03 or 1.04. So we assume it is 0.104 difference between the masking layer and copper layer. So control home. In any case, all masking or flash layer are not same. Somewhere the difference is 0.1 mm, and somewhere difference is 0.2 mm. It is in most of cases when the SMD pad and drill pad, like in a rectangle and circle pad, there is difference is not same. So that time we make a change step by step. First we make in a circle change, and then we make a change is a rectangle. When all layer, masking and copper layer are same, then we add some size on masking layer as per our production. So here we know the difference is 0.104 mm. So I am make a change in masking layer first. So I am first off my copper layer, because I want to work in masking layer. And now there is one option, scale decode. So I am change in my decode. This scale decode is most of using a change in decode size. So here we want to change the masking layer. In masking layer we want to increment, so, and its increment is 0.104 mm. So we double it and right here. So we want decrement, so we sign is minus 0.1.04, and we double it, then it's a 208. It is x-axis, and in y-axis also minus 0.208. Here scale is x and y-axis. If we want to just increment in a single axis, then we set the single axis and other is 0. Like this is our x-axis, and this is our y-axis. But now we need increment in both axes, so we set x and y both. And if here is not on, then first on fix amount and OK. Now I am select all area and click in and click it. So this size is decreased. Now we on my copper layer and zoom it. So here masking layer is overlap one copper layer. So both layers flash size is now same. if I am active copper layer, then our copper layer flash are red, so all flash are red. And if I am active masking layer, then all flash are green, because of our masking layer flash are green. So it's now difference between the masking layer flash and copper layer flash are equal. So now I am 8 decode. Now I am 8 decode is if I want to 150 mm, then I am a take scale here. So first, for this addition, first we off the copper layer. Now here our masking layer is on, and now we second time take a decode. If I want 0.150 50 size more than copper layer in masking, then I am set 0.3 x and 0.3 in y, and OK. Now I am click on it and OK. So now we see it. The masking layer is increment as compared to copper layer, and we make increment of 0.150 mm. So we measure once again, click on measure, and size is approximately 147. We see size here. Here is we see size, here distance, and we measure in y. So dy and distance are equal here. So is 149 approximately 150. So here our masking layer is set as per our production house. Here we take difference between copper layer and masking layer is 150. If in production house difference between copper layer and masking layer is 200, then we make decode here 0.4. So in short, first make masking layer and copper layer are same, then make a difference as per our production house. So it is my masking layer.